They made 4.8 million Tri-5 Chevys. The cool thing is the restored guys and the modified guys and the lowrider guys and the gasser guys and the patina guys, that all those cars blend together in this sea of colors behind me. It's so diverse, and the ownership is really cool. It's unlike any other automotive group that I've ever come across. They started modifying them literally when they rolled off the assembly line. And now there's brake upgrades, there's air conditioning upgrades, there's interior upgrades, there's suspension upgrades. It just keeps evolving. We're now on the third or fourth iteration of the same car. That's just going to keep continuing to make the Tri-5 Chevy truly the leader in hot rods.
Well, I grew up in the back seat of a '56 Chevrolet traveling the country. So I've been around Tri-5s my entire life, but getting them set and right has always been a trick. You want them low to the ground with nice, wheels and tires, big, wide, fat tires on the back with good suspension and brakes. Because just 90% of the people really want to drive their cars.
So we upgraded the brakes to four disc brakes, and then we bought the Ridetech, the whole suspension kit for it, the four-link for the rear and the strong arms for the front, coilovers, and the front stabilizer bars on it. It really does handle like a new car. It's unbelievable. So.
The first year that we did the power tour, we were in the rain a few times, and I was concerned I was putting my brakes on the other side, because she's a big car and she's heavy and the roads were wet. And so of all the things that he's done, the suspension has been a very nice upgrade for the car. I've appreciated it, and it just makes the ride so much smoother in the car, because she used to lean big time.